and fat inside. Do you find it interesting to see those cookies playing tag on the chain? Seeing them move gracefully on the conveyor belt, you feel like you are watching a fun race between cakes, each wanting to quickly reach the final destination where they will be packaged and sold, waiting to make guests happy. Looking at the chocolate packaging machine, you not only see the precision but also feel the meticulousness and sophistication in each movement. Every move of the machine is carefully programmed to ensure that each chocolate is wrapped perfectly. From placing the chocolate in the correct position on the conveyor belt to packaging and sealing the bag, every process is performed automatically and efficiently. Chocolate wrapping machine is an important part of the chocolate production process, helping to protect and preserve the product in the best way. Looking at this machine, we can feel the professionalism and efficiency in packaging products. Every step of the machine's operations is performed with precision and flexibility, from converting and wrapping the chocolate to the final sealing and packaging. Cutting cheese becomes easier thanks to the support of modern cheese cutting equipment. With sharp blades and advanced technology, cheese cutting devices help you easily and flexibly adjust the thickness of each slice of cheese. You no longer have to worry about uneven or difficult cheese cutting and can rely on the machine's performance and precision. With the help of cheese cutting devices, you can quickly and easily prepare dishes with cheese without having to worry about cheese cutting becoming time-consuming and complicated. The richness and nutrition of yogurt has made it favorite choice in the daily meals of many people. With its gentle, cool, sour taste and natural aroma, yogurt is not only an important source of calcium for bone health, but also an indispensable part of a healthy diet. The versatility of yogurt is endless, from enjoying it on its own to combining it with fresh fruits, seeds, and honey to create creative and nutritious dishes. Whether used alone on its own or combined with other ingredients, the freshness and nourishment of yogurt always makes any meal more special and appealing. He's a crazy talented person who deserves all the praise. The most perfect boiled eggs ever. With just 3 kicks, this guy was able to bend an iron rod. He must have some tricks up his sleeve to walk on this unbelievable path. The way these amazing guys are playing with the ball is mesmerizing. The incredible coordination between hands and feet is amazing. Are you ready to sip on a cocktail made by this girl? Mans operates that crane grabber like it's his arm and hand. Tying up a boat has never looked so cool.
At these factories, the production process is often organized automatically and flexibly, from raw material preparation, processing, canning, to quality inspection and final packaging. A special feature of the shrimp processing line is the focus on maintaining product quality. Every process is strictly controlled and monitored, ensuring that shrimp is processed safely and cleanly, not only retaining its natural flavor, but also ensuring food safety and hygiene. Slicing cold meat will no longer be difficult. You not only save time, but can also utilize every part of the meat effectively. Each thin slice of meat brings a delicious and rich flavor, making each piece of meat an enjoyable experience for the taste buds. Steak is not only a delicious dish, but also a symbol of a harmony between the rich flavor of beef and the sophistication of preparation. Each piece of beef is soft, fragrant, marinated, and grilled to just the right temperature, creating a culinary experience for you. Meat plate with puma skin is used to keep the natural flavor and be more durable during storage. This thin film helps prevent direct contact of air and bacteria with the meat, minimizing the risk of contamination and protecting the meat from harmful microorganisms. Looking at the operation of this machine, you cannot help but be impressed by the efficiency and precision in the tray gluing process. Each piece of meat is made of a special material,